Hello friends, and welcome to your 10-minute express abs class. So today we're gonna go quick and dirty. We're gonna do 10 minutes of abs. This is an incredible practice that you can add at the end of your workouts, or if you're super tight on time and you just need something to get in to feel good. To get started today, we're going to start seated at the top of your mat. Now I'm going to give you guys a variation of exercises, so we'll start slow and then I'll give you the next progression, and depending on where you are at, maybe over time you want to go to that next level, or maybe you're already there today. So just follow along and make sure you should pay attention to how your body responds to this, okay? So let's begin at the top of your mat. Just go ahead and grab your hand, take your hands behind your knees and take an inhale, opening your chest, looking up towards the sky. And then as you exhale, you're gonna round through the spine, tuck the chin to the chest, and extend through the elbows. Just feeling that nice gentle stretch here through the thoracic spine. And then making your way all the way down until you're on your back. Relax your head onto the floor, hug your knees into the chest. Take a deep breath in, and then as you exhale, release the feet onto the mat. So the first exercise that we're going to do is called your Navasana Prep. We're prepping ourselves to do the full Navasana posture. So the first version, we're going to start on the ground. You're going to take an inhale. On your exhale, you're going to lift your upper body off the mat. Hold, then you're going to extend the legs. You're going to bring them back down. You're going to lift a little bit higher and then come all the way down to the floor. And again, let's do that a few times. Lift up, extend the legs, bring it down, lift a little higher, and lower for 2. Bring it up, extend, bring it down, lift higher, and lower. That's 4. Extend, bring it down, lift higher, and lower. Reach, extend, bring it down, lift higher, and lower. Let's do 2 more. Extend, bring it down, lift even higher, lower down. Last one. Up, extend, bring it down, lift even higher, release. Now next version, we're going to extend and lift up, then your legs extend. You're going to tap the feet to the ground, bring it up, then place the feet down, lift higher, and lower down. So again, we lift up, extend the knees, tap the floor, bring it up, feet down, lift higher, and lower. That's 2. Up, extend, tap, up, bend the knees, lift, and lower. 2 more times. Then we're going to add the third progression after this. Bring it up, and again, lift, extend, tap, up, feet down, lift even higher, and release. So you can repeat 1 more set of that, or go to this next version. We're going to lift up, extend the legs, tap the feet, bring it up, then reach the arms over your head, bring it down, lift higher, and drop all the way down. So again, we lift up, extend the knees, tap the heels, bring it up, arms over your head, then release, lift even higher, and lower. Again, lift, extend, tap, extend, reach the arms over your head, and bring it up even higher, and lower down. 2 more times like this. Bring it up, extend, tap the heels, and arms over your head, bring it down, lift even higher. Last one. Lift it up, extend, tap the heels, bring it up, reach the arms over your head, and bring it down. This time, bring both knees into the chest, and then lower your head all the way down. Let's take the hands behind your head. What we're going to do here is first curl up and try to touch the elbows to the knees. So you're making a little ball with your body. Then we're going to extend the legs Elbows open to the side. So version 1 is just to extend the legs out and then bring it in. Let's do 4 of these. I'm going to extend and bring it in for 2. Extend and 3. Extend and 4. Continue with the same exercise or add on to it. Extend, tap the heels, bring it up, touch the elbows to the knees. Extend, tap, lift, and crunch. Extend, tap, lift, and crunch. Extend, tap, lift, and crunch. Keep going. So picking whichever version suits you best. We got 4 more to go. And crunch. Extend, tap the heels, bring it up, and crunch. Extend, tap, up, and crunch. Last one. Extend, tap, lift, and crunch. Great job. From here, extending the legs up, elbows open to the side. Version 1, a little bit easier, is to simply bend the left knee, drop the right leg. You're going to cross, touch the opposite elbow to the knee, and bring it up. That's 1. We're going to stay on the same leg. Bring it down and up. That's 2. And twist and 3. Twist and 4. Twist and 5. Keep going, or add a little bit more difficult version is to extend the leg out and bring it in for 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Hold this twisted position. Hold it here for 3, for 2, and 1. Reach your right leg up. Untwist the body. Flex your right foot. We're going to do a quick little transition here. Bring the arms forward. Bring your left foot down. Press yourself up. And then take your right foot all the way back. So we're coming into more of a lunge position here. Hands grounded on the mat. And then step back into plank. Great job. Let's hold this plank position just for a couple of breaths. Really pulling that navel into the spine. Finding that center, finding the balance. And then lift your hips up, downward facing dog. All right, so next exercise, I'm going to show you the modified version first and then the full version. So modified version, we're going to go ahead and extend your left arm all the way back. So you're doing a one-handed downward dog. Deep breath in. On your exhalation, you're going to come back into plank and then push back, one-handed downward dog. All right, so keep going. Or version 2, much more challenging, is to extend and reach your left arm forward and back into downward facing dog. All right, so take whatever feels best for you, and let's go for 10. 10, and reach back. 9, reach back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Bring your left hand down, deep breath in, bend your knees, hop forward, and cross your ankles. Let's come back over to the mat and do one more time on the other leg with our twisted crunches here. So arms behind you, hands behind your head, elbows out to the side, extend the legs. Modified version. We go cross and up for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. If you want to go ahead and take the more advanced version, follow me. 5, twist. 6, 7, 8, keep going. Twist. 9, 10. Great job. Hold it here. Let's just hold that twist just for a breath. Keep twisting. Try to get that connection with the elbow and the knee. 3, 2, 1. Untwist the body. Left leg up. Flex your foot. Reach the arms forward. Just rock yourself up. Press into that right foot. Step it back with your left foot. Hands down. And let's step back into plank position. Deep breath. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. We're gonna do that exercise with the one-handed downward dog on the other arm now, one more time. So again, you guys, you can modify by just coming forward into plank or keep the right hand off the mat the entire time. So deep breath in, exhale, reach it forward, 1. Take it back, reach it forward, 2. And back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep going, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Great job. Right hand down, holding plank. And last 3 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Come on down. Beautiful work, you guys. Congratulations. You finished a quick abdominal workout. Keep doing these classes every day if you want to achieve strength in your abdominals. And remember to always be patient. No matter which modification you took today, you know you're that step closer to getting stronger and stronger. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.